Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Geometry Dash on a computer full guide. Open your browser and download the PC version or launcher, then run the installer. Configure keyboard or controller inputs in settings and test jumps on a practice level. Adjust graphics and sound for smooth performance and enable full screen or windowed mode based on your preference. Finally, create a profile so your progress and custom levels are saved securely. Warm up by tweaking control sensitivity and mapping jump, dash, and other actions to easy keys or a controller. Spend time in practice mode to place checkpoints and rehearse tricky sequences slowly. Focus on timing and rhythm rather than speed, and break difficult segments into smaller parts to master them. Keep audio on for musical cues, and gradually increase run speed as your muscle memory improves and consistency grows. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more content and quick tips. On another note, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for easy cleaning between sessions. It has voice control and smart mapping to keep your play area spotless. I love how it frees up time for more gaming, and you can find the best deals in the description. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Explore different game modes like Practice, Normal, and Extreme to match your current skill level and goals. Start with easier community levels to build confidence, then move to official gauntlets and harder stages when ready. Watch playthroughs to study timing and decoration cues that affect perception. Keep your setup ergonomic with a responsive keyboard and stable frame rate for consistent inputs and fewer frustrating deaths during practice and runs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.